In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with supplier overpayments in Xero. If you've received money from a supplier, maybe a refund, or they've paid you back a little more than expected, you'll want to record it correctly so the amount sits on the supplier's account and can be applied to future bills. Let's walk through how to do that right from the bank reconciliation screen in Xero. Start by opening the bank account where the money came in and click Reconcile. You'll see the bank statement line for the amount you received. Instead of creating a generic receive money transaction that won't link to the supplier's account properly, we'll use the matching flow to create a true overpayment record you can allocate later. On the bank line, click Match. This opens the matching panel. If there's no existing bill to match, that's okay. We're going to create a new transaction that tells Xero this is an overpayment from a supplier. Click New Transaction to begin. From the options presented, choose Receive Money. Even though we're working with a supplier, we're receiving funds back into your bank, so receive money is the correct path here. Next, click Direct Payment. This is important because it creates a contact-linked transaction rather than a generic cash coding line. Now, select Overpayment. This tells Xero to hold the balance as a credit on the supplier's account, ready to be used later. Before saving, make sure the key details are accurate. Select the correct supplier contact so the credit lands on the right account. Confirm the date matches the bank statement line, enter the full amount received, and add a clear description or reference so you can identify the reason for the overpayment later. If your region requires it, check the tax treatment is appropriate. For most refunds or overpayments, it should mirror the nature of the original expense. Taking a moment here prevents allocation issues down the line. When everything looks good, click Save Transaction. Xero will create the supplier overpayment and bring you back to the reconciliation view with your new item ready to match. Now, click Reconcile to match the bank line to the overpayment you just created. Finally, confirm by clicking OK. That's it. The receipt is reconciled and the balance now sits as a credit on the supplier's account. A quick tip for later. When you receive the next bill from this supplier, you'll be able to apply the overpayment to reduce what you owe. Keeping your descriptions consistent will make that matching step fast and accurate. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to handle supplier overpayments cleanly in Xero.